recipe natin ngayon is chicken fillet. So, yung chicken breast, nilagyan ko ng pepper and salt. And maglagay na rin ako ng lemon juice. So, before we start, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. At i-click na rin yung notification bell button to get notified for my future upload. So, i-mix lang natin. I-marinate natin siya. So, i-mix lang natin. Mix natin maigi bago natin siya i-set aside. Ayan. Once evenly mixed na, so let's marinate the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes or overnight. So, after that, i-coat natin yung chicken breast with the flour. And the second step is i-coat natin sa beaten egg. So, ayan. Simple step lang. By the way, yung chicken breast, sinaslice ko na siya into thinly. So, the third step is i-coat natin yung breast sa breadcrumbs. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin yung mga hindi na-coat para mag-even siya. So, once you're done coating it, set aside muna natin siya. And yung mga tirang breast part, i-repeat lang natin yung process. I-dip sa flour, and then second, egg, and the last step is the breadcrumb. So, i-repeat lang natin hanggang ma-coat natin sila lahat before we start i-fry yung chicken breast. So, ayan, this is the last part. Nag-init na ko ng mantika and let's fry the chicken breast. And i-fry lang natin siya hanggang mag-golden brown siya bago natin siya i-turn over. once mag-brown na, so i-turn over natin yung other side part niya. So in this part, I add the chicken breast na hindi naka-breaded, which is food ni hubby yan. So, i-fry ko muna siya bago ako mag-fry ng other coated chicken fillet. So this is the second, and the rest of the chicken fillet, coated or breaded chicken fillet, i-fry natin sila until makook na sila lahat. So when it turns to golden brown, i-turn over natin siya. So gawin lang natin ulit yung ganitong process sa ibang chicken fillet na natira until maluto silang lahat. Pwede mo siyang i-dry sa kitchen towel or drying rack. So this is the last piece. Next natin gawin is gagawa ako ng dipping sauce niya. So, ito yung garlic. Mini-mince ko na siya and I add some mayonnaise. Lagay tayo ng mayonnaise. I like this dipping sauce kasi na-neutralize niya yung lasa ng yung medyo pagkaka-oily ng chicken. So, I add some lemon juice. And I add some pepper. And the next one is salt. At nag-add na rin pala ako niya ng kaunting vinegar. If you have apple cider, more better. But if wala, okay lang yung ibang vinegar. So, I'm using coconut vinegar kasi wala akong apple cider. And then, let's mix it well, the sauce, until maging mix na siya evenly. So, once you're done mixing it, i-set aside natin siya. Ganito po siya. So, i-taste muna natin if sakto and it's good. So, set aside muna natin siya and we're done. Let's do the plating and serve the food. Ta-da! Bon appetit, everyone! Thank you! Thanks for watching and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!